Security teams need to manage cybersecurity risk for acquisitions and mergers targets, as well as for events like divestitures, carve-outs, and joint ventures. Combining technology stacks and security processes as you integrate security operations can be a huge headache, and acquisition targets could have undisclosed breaches and vulnerabilities. The ReliaQuest GreyMatter security operations platform provides the flexibility to establish and execute your unique IT and cybersecurity integration strategy across business units and geographies. GreyMatter enables you to evaluate digital risk for acquisition targets, as well as optimize security operations by using the various technology investments already in place, like endpoint detection and response and firewalls, as well as one or multiple clouds, SIEMs, and EDRs. Whether it's absorbing an acquisition with a mixed technology stack or managing security for operating companies rolling out a uniform technology stack, GreyMatter enables you to streamline security operations so you can increase visibility, reduce complexity, and manage risk.